Training your grip, you want to keep the weight by your side and firm grasp, claw fingers, thumb and finger like that. You can have them interlocking or just by their side, but the arm isn't up like this and it's not bent. Straight by your side, shoulders back, elbow into your side, slight engagement in the core, and you're holding it there. Now this is level 1, right? If we want to make it harder, we can march on the spot, or we can walk 20 meters with this, okay? This is called a suitcase carry, one side. If I have a weight on the other side too, we can keep it balanced, and that'll actually be a little bit easier, but this is also going to challenge your spine, your core, your grip all at once, okay? So I'm going to just stand by your side, and you're going to hold it with the right hand first, and I will just support the weight. Yeah, good grip.
Oh, yay.
How does that feel? Can you do it on your own?
Oh my goodness. Okay, let go for a sec.
Yeah.
That's too much.
That's okay. But you got it. So you said you couldn't do 10 pounds, right?
Okay.
But that's 18.
That's 18.
That's 18 pounds. So, so 10 pounds would be a good starting point for you.
Okay.
This was 18.
Okay.
So I think a lot of us are underdoing it in what we can do.
Okay.
Or we're to train our grip, like they say, oh, squeeze a squishy ball.
Yeah.
Well, that's like, you'd have to do like 500 reps to get some strength out of it.
Okay.
We really have to challenge it where it's like, I don't know if I can hold this anymore. It doesn't have to be the first 3 seconds of that, but the last maybe 20 seconds should be, okay, this is getting really hard to do.
Okay.
And then we're going to start leveling up, because I think what's happening with your hand and your fingers is they're getting tight, and we talked about this is creating weakness.
Yeah.
So if we address the weakness, I think that tightness will start to go down and the pain as well.
Okay. Makes good sense.
What do you think? So you got the weight. So start with 10 and just stay in one spot. Root your feet into the ground. Nice and tall posture. Okay? Elbow by your side.
Yeah. Okay. But 2 of them, like 1 in each. I would want 1 in each.
If you want one in each hand, yeah. And like if you want, you can have a chair close by if you're more comfortable, just in case you need to sit down and you're not gonna get, all over. And we'll start with like 20-second holds.
Okay.
20 seconds, and then just do 4 sets of those.
Okay.
And then take a break. And then if, hey, I want to build some more confidence, go for a walk. And it's not like a kilometer, it's just 20 meters.
Yeah.
Walk to the end of the hall and then come back again.
Okay.
All right, I'm excited for you.
Where do I get these weights? I don't need this particular kind of weight. I mean, just...
Yeah, so even a, like a dumbbell, right? You've seen...
Yeah, dumbbell. Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I would get like a set of 10, 12, and 15 pounds.
Okay.
And like you did 18 on your own.
Okay. Okay,